Jason, how would you deal with a multi-floored office with different companies in each floor, with people coming and going at different times of day?
Oh, it's quite straightforward. Access control can be set up in a number of different ways. Each floor can have their control of their own system. You can set up different time profiles. So, the person on floor 1 might be different opening times to the people on floor 2 and so forth. So they can each have their own access times. We would assign the office staff specifically to each floor that they're allowed on. That way, it isn't one card can get you in all floors, it's one card that can get you into just your specific floor throughout the building. The other option you've got is to sort of put access control on the lifts. So, if I'm allowed to work on floor 1, we could literally get in the lift, present your token. That would only enable button number 1 for me to push to go to the first floor. If I tried to push any of the others, it wouldn't let me in.